Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So Tools for Trade recently got in touch with me to offer to send me this cordless sander for free in exchange for this review video, and of course I said yes. So in this video I'll be reviewing this cordless sander. So here is the package I received from Tools for Trade with the XL sander battery and charger. So here is the sander, and I was also sent a battery charger and a 2 amp hour battery. You can buy this sander as a bare unit or in various different options with different numbers of batteries, different types of chargers, etc. So you can check that out for yourself. I've got a 2 amp hour battery and a standard battery charger. Taking a quick look at the box here. XL brushless rotary sander. So this is a rotary sander, not a random orbit sander. This one rotates in one direction. Skin only. This is the bare unit, and it takes 125mm diameter sanding discs. And a bit more information on the side of the box here. So this has 3 different speed modes. You've got 6000 RPM, 8500 RPM, and then 11,000 RPM for the fastest speed. So inside the box you get the sanding bag, which is like a plastic skeleton here that pushes into the sander, and then there's like a fabric bag that can be removed to collect the dust. There is one 80 grit sanding disc to get you started. Instruction manual, and then the sander itself. So first impressions, feel in the hand. The unit feels quite lightweight. It has this rubber grip at the top here and a nice big firm pad here that you can grab onto when you're using it. The pad at the bottom here, some kind of like hook and loop velcro type system here. So I'll just add the disc provided. Just line up the holes. There we go. And that sticks on there nice and firm. So as I say, this is a rotary sander, so this will just rotate, and that's why it has this kind of interesting looking dust collection pipe here. So it's going all the way around the sander, and then there's a little spout here that goes into the dust bag. So while this is spinning, it encourages all the dust to go down into here. I'll just add the bag on as well. Nice and easy to add the bag on. Just pushes on like so. Now for the battery, I'm going to add a 2 amp hour battery. This also works with the 5 amp hour battery that they do. Slots in nice and easily at the back there. As you can see, there's plenty of room to grab, and you can even have an extra hand on there when you're sanding. So that is how it's used. That's the complete setup. Dust bag, easy to access. It's nice and out of the way. It's not right round the area where the battery goes in. So to turn the machine on, you've got this button here, 1, 2 and 3. When it turns on, you can then set it, and you'll hear now the different speeds. So I'm just going to weigh the sander now with the 2 amp hour battery in and the dust bag on. So the weight is 1,325 grams or 1.325 kilograms. So pretty light, I think, with the battery included. So here is the charger that I got with my sander. Nice simple charger, one light to tell you that the battery needs charging, and then one light to tell you that it's charged and that it's charging. And it tells you on the side of the charging box, 2 amp hour battery takes roughly 60 minutes to charge, and a 5 amp hour battery takes 140 minutes. Okay, so that is now fully charged. Now onto the testing. I've got some pine here to clean up and sand. Here is the first mode, 6000 RPM. Here's the second mode, 8500 RPM. And the third mode, 11,000 RPM. This mode is great for removing material quickly, and the first mode is good if you want to be delicate with what you're sanding and you don't want to take off too much material. Now for the dust collection. It's easy enough to remove the bag. And as you can see, there's plenty of sawdust in the bag. And the battery still had 2 bars of power. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So my first impressions of this sander, bearing in mind it is a budget tool and that I've used quite a few of the XL tools already and I do like them. I've bought quite a few of these tools myself. I find them very good value for money. I would say this one is no exception, and this is also very good for the money. It has a very comfortable rubber grip, which is really comfortable to use, and you can see it's not very heavy, and the vibration is quite minimum too. I think that's because it's a rotary sander. It really doesn't vibrate that much at all, I've found. And also, again, because it's a rotary sander, I think, and because of this dust collection system around it, the dust collection is very good. It picks up probably 90% of dust, I'm just guessing, but it picks up most of the dust from the project, which I found very surprising. In the beginning I thought it wasn't sanding because I couldn't see any dust, but when I checked the bag there was plenty of dust in there, so it does a very good job at dust collection. Saying that, I'm not sure how you would connect a vacuum up to this or a pipe, but the bag provided does do a very good job. Battery life is also very good. I only used 1 bar of my battery after about 15 minutes. There were still 2 bars left. So all in all, I think it's a very good machine. If you're interested in buying this sander, you can visit the Tools for Trade website, which I'll leave a link to down below in the description box, and you can also check out my Amazon affiliate link and buy it through that, and with that I'll get a small commission which helps the channel at no extra cost to yourself. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.